Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And today I'll show you my entry for Cardz Scale Dreams Off-Road Challenge Group Build. So, here it is. This is a old Revell Jeep pickup that I picked up way back when for $8.99. I think I showed this in one of my shorts as one of the oldest sealed kits that I still have. Well, Pat, I'm going to do it for you. I had some original plans for this, but I think that my plans will work with your group build very well. So we're going to try to incorporate that into it. Probably won't be pink though. Anyways, if you are in Pat's group build, go ahead and join it, or at least check out his site. Pat's got some great tutorials over there and some really nice model builds. Until then, hit that like and subscribe button for me, and let me know if you're planning on joining his group build also. See you next time on Pappy Tinkers.